guys, it's Shakir Imani here. I am back for another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join in on this natural, healthy hair journey with me, okay? And if you have been here for however long you have been here for, welcome back. It's always good to see you, girl. Always good to see you. Today you are in for a goodie. I am doing a clay mask on my hair for the first time in like a year, and I feel like it is just needed. Do y'all see my hair right now? I have been neglecting it like really bad these last 2 weeks, and I think I just need a pick-me-up, and I haven't done my own clay mask, like my own DIY clay mask, in so long. I think it's time. Also, if you're not new to my channel, you probably realize I got this pink background happening right now. I brought it back. It's also been like a year since I used this background. My son is remote learning in the living room, and that's where I used to shoot my videos, and it's just a lot happening. So we here now with the background, so y'all don't see what the actual background looks like. Yeah. All right, so anyway, let's just get on into it. So my hair, it is so dry, it is flaky, and I think it just needs like a good little detox. So I already made the clay, and this is it right here. I tried to make it like super creamy, and I use like basic ingredients that I tend to use, but if y'all new to my channel, y'all don't know. So the first ingredient I used was the bentonite clay from Aztec Secret, their Indian healing clay. I used about a little less than a cup of this, and I think I got this one off of Amazon, but you can get it from any beauty supply store. I got it from Amazon for like $11. And then I used about half a cup of this raw apple cider vinegar. It's the Bragg brand with the mother. I used about another half a cup of water, just regular tap water, whatever. And then I don't know how much of this I used, but I was very liberal with the Jamaican black castor oil, the Tropical Living brand. And when I mixed it up, I used a wooden spoon because you're not supposed to use a metal spoon with the bentonite clay. It can like reverse like all the benefits and properties and all that other stuff. So you use a wooden spoon when you're dealing with that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh, it is so, like, I was so bad, y'all. Like, I was so bad. I haven't even washed, y'all know I wash my hair every week. I haven't washed my hair in like 3 weeks. Like, I co-wash in between, but y'all know it's like, you gotta shampoo, honey. You gotta shampoo, and I just wasn't doing that this go around. Like, it been a lot going on, okay? First, I'm gonna just spray it down with a bit of water, because I don't want my hair to be super dry when I put this clay on, because when I used to do this clay and I did it with my hair dry, I learned my lesson. And I was like, yeah, my hair gotta be wet. Like, not soaking wet, but it gotta be wet. I learned my lesson that day. All right, I'm gonna go in small sections like that. And I should have got some gloves side. Alright, I'm gonna take like this much and see if that should be enough for this section. Y'all see that change already? Like, do y'all see that it is just like hanging? Like, it gave my hair so much already just now, and it's been on for all of 15 seconds. I don't know why I stopped doing this treatment. Like, I forgot what it does. All right, I'm gonna just fast forward through the rest of this, because I mean, y'all know what I'm doing. And when I'm all done, we'll talk. guys, so I am all finished now. I'm pretty sure I got every possible strand. I just used like the remainder of it after I was done, just to make sure I got those roots even better. I see like one little piece. I see like one little piece. There we go. All right, I think I got it. Just a warning, y'all, if you have never done this before and you're thinking about doing it, make sure you are wearing clothes that you don't really care if they get dirty, you know, your play clothes. All right, like how mama had the play clothes for us. Wear your play clothes because you are gonna get dirty, and so wear your clothes and possibly the floor. I think I was good at not getting the floor though, so just be careful. And I would recommend wearing gloves because I can only imagine what it's gonna be like to try to get this out my fingernails. As you guys could see in that fast forward, your girl was having a lot of issues separating her hair. I had a lot of tangles. It was just like super dry even after using the water. This mask is definitely coming. It can't be a better time right now. And I also need to not neglect my hair the way I did these last couple weeks. So I don't remember how long you're supposed to sit with this. So I'm gonna go look that up now. I also don't remember if you're supposed to cover your hair. I feel like I didn't before, but I'm gonna go ahead and look that up right now. Either way, I'm not going to sit with this for more than like 45 minutes because as you can see, it's already doing what it's supposed to do. You know, I can already tell that when I do wash this out, like we're gonna be so much better than we were before this got on. So yeah, the longest I think I'm gonna sit is like for 45 minutes. That may only change if I read that you should sit for like an hour or so, but I really don't think so. I will let y'all know though when I come back. And then I will come back to you guys when it is washed out and we're gonna talk about what it did, okay? All right, I'll see you guys in a second. All right guys, I'm like dripping wet, but I'm all done. I shampooed my hair and let me just show y'all what it's looking like. My curls look so much better. Oh my gosh. All right, I think I got it all out. Okay, it looks like I got it all out. Let me tell y'all, it was a struggle because I washed it out once and I thought I was good because I didn't see anything in the sink, and then I took my towel off and there was still quite a bit left like right here. So I had to wash twice, which I never ever do. But I'm happy. My hair feels so soft. Thank you, Lord. It feels so soft and my curls just look hydrated and they're popping 10, so I'm happy. I made a boo-boo, guys. So you are supposed to cover your hair, and I did not know until like half an hour in when I finally like settled down and looked it up. I mean, it would have been best if I looked it up right after I got off the camera, but life. So yeah, you are supposed to cover your hair because you don't want the clay to dry out. Thankfully, the clay was still very soft when I went to go rinse it out. I used very hot water, well, hot enough that, you know, it was hot, but I could tolerate it, like my scalp could tolerate it. Used very hot water, and then I shampooed it out. I believe I used the Miel, the Rosemary Mint collection. I know y'all don't come for me. Don't come for me. Like, I'll talk about that in another video, okay? But yeah, I used that, and then I used my scalp massager to like really get down in there to make sure I got it all out. And I still had to wash it twice because it was just all up in there. But yeah, I'm happy. I definitely need to start incorporating the clay mask with the bentonite clay more, but hopefully I won't need to because I won't, you know, disrespect my hair like I did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Comment down below if you are feeling the DIYs that I am doing, and if you'd like for me to try other DIYs, just let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys for my next one. Bye.